Hey guys, my name is Shivam, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to install a free SSL with the same encryption that the other SSLs provide for free to your LightSail WordPress install. If you have found this video, I can assume that you've been looking for an article or a blog that says how to install SSL to LightSail instances, but I believe you haven't found it yet. Why? Because no one has ever provided step-to-step guidance to how to install a free SSL. But in today's video, I have linked an article where we have provided step-to-step details, and in the video I will show you step-by-step how to install the free SSL to your account. We will be using Let's Encrypt SSL certificates, and they are for free, but they are only free for 90 days. So to renew them, after a month or so, we will be using Cron tab to renew it every month at a selected time. Alright, so let's get started. I assume you have an Amazon account and you have a LightSail instance running WordPress. So we'll just SSH into it. I'll show you step by step. You don't even need to type it down. You need to do is copy paste. All you need to type it down today is just change your domain names. That's it. Alright, then let's get started. So open your LightSail instances and search for the instance that you wish to install SSL on. So I'll just show you. I'll just copy the IP address and open it, and let me just copy it. Okay, so there you go. You can see it's a website. So website for a restaurant, and then you can see it's saying the connection is not secure, and we're gonna make it secure by the end of the video. Type in the domain as well. So you can see saying not secure. So let's do it now. So back to your instances, and to SSH you can either click on the hamburger icon connect, or you can just press the SSH icon. So I'm connected to my instance via SSH. Now I have opened the article on the left hand side, the blog that I'll provide the link in the description. So I'll copy the first thing, and all you need to do is change your domain name. So the D one is for adding more domains, like you have a blog domain, blog.your website, and I recommend you adding www as well. So I'm just gonna change this quickly, write down the domains. You can Let's Encrypt is also providing wildcards at the moment. I'll provide a video later on that. So I'll just paste it there. Now you can see it's installing the Let's Encrypt using contact. Now it will prompt you, ask some questions. So you just agree to most of the things, and then you add your email accounts, and it should be good to go. So just answer all the questions that it's prompting. I usually agree to all of them because I support. Now the next step would be, after we get the important notes. So in the important notes you should not get any error messages. It should say congratulations, your certificate has been generated. Now we should inform Apache. So just copy this code. As I said, you don't need to type in anything. You can type as well, but I'm just gonna copy paste to show you how easy it's gonna be because I've already typed it on. So I'll open this file and add this code to the file. So these are the codes for our certificate file, certificate key file, and the certificate chain file. I'm just gonna quickly do this. Alright, and I'm gonna save it. I'll just recheck it once again. There's any typos or any spelling errors. I think it looks fine. Alright, I'm gonna save it. Save's done. And now I'm gonna reload the Apache server. And if the Apache server is reloaded properly, that means you're doing good. So you can see Apache is loaded. Now we're gonna do the con tab, which is the we're gonna automate the system. So I'm just gonna put the code in, and now we're gonna put the timings in there. For the timings, so this means is like your certificates are gonna renew at 2 a.m. first of every month. So you don't need to worry about renewing them again. And just gonna copy and paste it on the top. But I really recommend you to manually check on the first month that it's renewing or not. If it's not renewing it, you just need to come back and recheck it, the code. I'm gonna save it and move it to the next step. Here I'm quickly editing my WP config file. If you guys having an issue with the certificates are not working, it's probably your WordPress site URL is not set. So you just need to go to WP config file and define the site URL, and just need to put HTTPS instead of HTTP, and followed by your domain. And I'm gonna quickly save it. So if you guys need it, you can use this. Now I'm gonna just tell the WordPress that to use SSL always. So we're just going to open our HTTP prefix file and add the code provided here. It's just for the rewrite engine to turn it on always. Make sure guys you're always changing your domain, because many people who do this, they just copy and paste, but only one thing that you need to do is add your domains and make sure these spellings are correct. You don't need to include www in most of the cases. I will save it and I'm gonna continue. Okay, and last thing, we're gonna restart the server again. I'm just gonna copy sudo or bitnami restart. If the syntax okay comes, then it means it's running fine, but if it doesn't come, means it's not. I have a quick test here. You can go to SSL Labs and test your certificates. If it's A grade, which means yes, your certificates are perfect with the proper encryption. So I definitely recommend going to SSL Labs/lab test. Now I'll also show you the website now. So I'll open it again and you can see the green icon over there. That's what we need, and it says the connection is secure. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our page and write down in the comments if this was helpful. Thank you.